Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make a checkerboard geometric shaped macrame pattern. Let's get started. For this tutorial, I've gone ahead and attached 12 ropes to a dowel rod using a lark's head knot. My first step in this checkerboard pattern is to take the 4 ropes here on the far left and tie one square knot with them. To make a square knot, I take the rope on the far right, cross it over the 2 ropes in the middle to form a loop. Then the string on the left is going to go over the right one, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And you pull that tight. Then I'm going to take the left side to cross over the 2 in the middle to form the loop. The right rope goes over the left one, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And then I pull it tight. Now I'm going to move on to the next 4 ropes and repeat the same steps to create a square knot. I'm going to tie one alternating square knot right between these 2 previous square knots. So I'm going to take 2 ropes from this square knot and the 2 ropes from this square knot and tie one right between them. Now I'm going to go back to the 4 ropes here on the left and tie another square knot. And another square knot using the remaining 4 ropes on the right side. Just like that. Now I'm going to skip the next 4 groups of rope and use these groupings of 4 here on the right side. And I'm going to repeat the same pattern I did here. So I'm going to take these 4 ropes and tie one square knot. I'll move on to the next 4 to tie a square knot. Now I'm going to repeat this pattern again, this time using all these ropes here that's in the middle, and I'm going to leave a gap up top, so the exact same size of these square knots is the amount of space I'm going to leave up top, and then from here and down is where I make my little pattern. So I'm going to take these 4 ropes and tie my first square knot. Just want to eyeball where you want it to sit. You want to try to get it so that your blank space is the same size. As I'm sure you can guess, we are going to repeat the same steps. This time we're going to skip a space here and then make our square knots underneath. And we'll repeat on this side as well. And there we go. So this is just a very fun and simple way that you can add a little geometric design to your macrame work using square knots. I absolutely love a little checkerboard pattern, and I think this is a great way to accomplish that look. You can make your squares bigger too if you would like to by just adding more square knots in the rows. And other than that, I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.